Hi everyone, today I am going to explain you how to reverse the car proper way. Mainly most of the drivers, beginning drivers have this problem, how to reverse in the narrow space, how to reverse the car straightly. While they are reversing the car, maybe it will go little left side or right side. They don't know how whether their car going straight or going little bit more left or right. Mainly you have to understand this is the straight position of the steering. Let me turn on engine, I will show you. Now this is the straight position of the steering wheel. I already teach you in my previous videos also. You can understand. Now this is the steering wheel is straight. This is the straight position of the steering wheel. In this position both wheels are like this, not like this or like this. Okay. Now if I am taking my car like this straight to the back side, it will go straight. If I turn like this, at least one turn clockwise, from my car will go from back side like this side will go. If I turn my steering wheel, now again I back to straight. If I turn my steering wheel like this, my car will go like this from this side. Now again I will back to straight. Let me go take car reverse. You can identify while I am turning steering wheel right or while I am turning steering wheel left, how my car moving. Let us do this experiment now. Now my steering wheel is straight. See, I am going to take back like this. Now I am going slowly. Now steering wheel is straight. Let me turn steering wheel one turn. This right turn, one right turn. You can see how car moving now. Let me back again this one turn. Now steering wheel again is straight, but my car is still going this side because I turn already one turn. No, let me turn opposite again one turn. Now my car become again back to straight position. Now I have to turn steering wheel straight to continue the same path without turning one direction, one side in the reversing. See, you can see now my car is straight. Let me turn fully turn like this. Now I turn fully like this. You can see how my car turning like this. Now again I will back to full turn like this. See, my car turning like this. See, it's going like this. Now again back to straight. Now I am going again, steering wheel is straight, my car going like this straight. So this is the correct reversing. This is how reversing behavior of the car. If you know this basics, it will be easy for you to reverse the car any narrow space or anywhere. Hope you understand something new from this video. If you are beginning driver, you will you may need this type of basic things. So please subscribe my channel. You can learn more and more good driving habit videos. See you next video.